How to fix Hamster Kombat not opening problem. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you how to fix Hamster Kombat not opening problem. Hamster Kombat not opening problem can be frustrating. You tap the play, it seems to launch, then nothing. Just a black void staring back at you. This can happen for a few reasons. So to fix Hamster Kombat not opening problem, first open your phone settings. Scroll down until you see apps and tap on it. From apps, select Manage Apps. From the search box at the top, search for Telegram. This will open the app information page. Look for the storage section. Inside the storage section, you'll find a button called Clear Data, or similar wording depending on your device. A confirmation window might appear. Tap Clear Cache, or similar wording, then tap OK to confirm. Go back and open Play Store. Search for Telegram and update if it is available. Once you are done, open the Telegram app. Go to Hamster Kombat and it will work without problems. And this is how to fix Hamster Kombat not opening problem. By following these steps, your Kombat hamster will work again. If you have any questions about Hamster Kombat, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.